Kaite Boltain and I'm an artist and an actress. My connection to nature is very symbolic. As you can see, this blackbird is a messenger from the gods to the mortals. As an artist and as a performer, on the new moon of every month, my friends and I go out in different parts of Manchester to celebrate Mother Earth. As a Hellenic, my culture is steeped in ritual and in celebrations honouring Gaia. And as a performer, I like to honour Gaia every month on the new moon. I'm very proud that I'm here in a country full of rich culture that has its ancient roots in paganism. That is my connection with nature.